The United States and Taiwan announced they'll start trade negotiations for a bilateral trade agreement this fall. This comes on the heels of China's live-fire drills that looked a lot more like a dress rehearsal for an eventual invasion of the island. And what did we learn from yesterday's FOMC Minutes? Is the market reading the Fed right? Let's find out. Welcome to the Money Runner. It's Thursday, August 18th. This is your Market Minute. I'm David Nelson. Tensions between the United States and China continue to rise, and the announced meeting between U.S. and Taiwan trade officials will only fan those flames. I've long been a hawk on U.S.-China policy. China continues to break agreements already in place and is a threat in every sense. Xi will use every opportunity to challenge the United States on several fronts, certainly foreign policy, trade, and now, as we're starting to learn, militarily. The only message Xi will understand is one of strength. Anything less will be taken advantage of. All right, let me pivot to Washington and the Fed. The FOMC Minutes had something for everyone. For the hawks, the Fed sees inflation staying uncomfortably high, and for the doves, they could point to an acknowledgement they might go too far. So what does the market think? This is an interest rate probability chart of futures projections of both the number and extent of hikes throughout next year. In many ways, it's an indication of real money betting on the outcome and more accurate than just what talking heads, including yours truly, think. Right now, the chart peaks with a Fed funds rate of about 3.6%, with rate cuts coming sometime after. I think that's going to change. We're still at 8.5% headline inflation. Even if you believe we've passed peak, I think the Fed at the very least will have to maintain tighter financial conditions beyond what's implied by the so-called smart money. Trading desks, they're pretty thin right now. A lot of people on vacation. It wouldn't take a lot to push the market in either direction on a hot summer day in August. All right, that was your Market Minute for today. Thanks so much for joining. I'll see you again tomorrow. I'm David Nelson.